Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a major upgrade in my opinion on the S2000. Now I've had the car for about a month or so and everything has been cool, but the only thing that's been bothering me has to be the speakers. When I first heard the audio out of the S2000, I was so disappointed. If you guys have ever bought an older car, you know that there's a possibility that the speakers are gonna be dry rotted, they're gonna be dried out, they're just gonna start flapping. And unfortunately, in the S2000, the speakers are dried out. So you know what that means. Today, we're gonna go ahead and replace all of those speakers. So before I head to the shop, I'm gonna try to play a little sample, maybe some copyright-free music so you guys can hear it. I've been using this JBL Charge 4 in the S2000, and I'm kind of just tired of turning on the Bluetooth speaker and letting it roll around. So we got to fix the audio today. Let's get it and let's go.
Ain't no telling what I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making moves. Take the pain away, so searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. Remember all the
So as you guys could probably tell, it's pretty rattly in here and I'm not really feeling it. So we're gonna head to Extreme Sounds and Lights right now. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you probably already know about the shop, but if not, make sure you guys check them out. I'll have all of their links down below in the description. But let's go ahead and head over to the shop. All right, you guys, we just made it to the shop. Let me show you guys what they have over here on display. There's Kicker, Kenwood, Alpine, Pioneer, and you guys could just come in the shop. You could either buy stuff for your car and get it installed, or you just buy it, take it home and install it if you guys are capable of doing that. If you guys want to check out anything audio related or do any lighting on your car, definitely make sure to hit up Extreme. You could ask for my Uncle John. If you guys have been watching this channel for a while, you already know they always work on my cars, so make sure you guys support a family business. It could just be a simple speaker replacement, HIDs, wheels, or even a crazy sound system. Whatever it is, Extreme got you covered. Nico's gonna be starting my car right now. I think they're doing a run real quick to get some parts, but Nico's gonna start the wiring. Let's go ahead and see what Nico's doing. These are the old speakers right here, and these are the new ones. Alright you guys, it's been a few weeks since I've got this setup installed, and I wanted to wrap this video up by giving you guys my initial impressions and just show you the overall completed project. So let's start off with the trunk. We went with the Rockford Fosgate. I don't remember which sub this is, but I will have it linked down below in the description and it will be on the screen as well. I didn't want anything that was crazy expensive or slapped super hard. I honestly wasn't even thinking about doing a sub setup until they kind of brought it up at the shop. So I was like, you know what? We'll just add a simple sub here, more of like a budget build. I've had 212s before and they do hit, but they do take up a lot of space. And I wanted this to still be useful because this trunk space is very limited. And I think this Fosgate fits perfectly with this trunk. So we still have space on this side pocket right here, still have space to lay whatever we need on top. And it has the metal grate, so you don't have to worry about damaging the sub or anything like that. Overall, it's a pretty clean trunk setup. so no complaints about that. As far as the door speakers go, you can't tell that anything was replaced. They were a super easy replacement with the OEM speakers. So now you guys are probably wondering, what does the new setup sound like? Again, I wasn't going for anything crazy expensive. I was just trying to fix that rattling noise from the old OEM speakers. So don't expect anything crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like. Oh, and before I forget, we put the bass knob right here, so it's just easy for me to access if I need to turn the bass up or turn the bass down.
Ain't no telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money, stack that shit up to the ceiling. All the shit don't take the pain away, still searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I done cried. The tears are from my eyes, had to put my pride aside. I swear I've been on my... Ain't no telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money. All the things I did for you, now tell me, did that have a meaning? Now I'm asking, was it worth it? I can't stop myself from bleeding.
So as you guys can tell, it's a night and day difference between the OEM speakers and the upgraded ones. I'm pretty happy with this setup. One thing that I do need to upgrade is the deck. And just in case you guys are wondering, I am using this Bluetooth connection. I don't even know what it's called, but this is how I'm connecting to my phone. So I know that this kind of distorts the quality of the music, and that's why I need a new deck. That was recommendations from Extreme. They just said the OEM deck is just not it. For now it does the job, but if I want this to sound even better, upgrading the deck is going to be the next move. So if you guys have an S2000 or you know anyone that has an S2000 with an upgraded deck, let me know any recommendations you might have in the comment section down below. Other than that, I did order a couple things, little goodies here and there just to spice this one up a little bit. So more videos on the S2000 coming soon. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment down below, and if you guys need any work done, don't forget to hit up Extreme. All their info is down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.